Oh Lord, here he comes. Boss a move, Bartholomew. Come on, kid. I ain't got no beef with you. See, you don't respect me because I'm little, Bartholomew. But let me tell you something. You can get these fresh crams, Bartholomew. Crams.
Please subscribe.
Welcome back to the channel, each and every one. My name is Dave Natch and I speak stocks. Today's Monday, August the 24th. President Trump announced the FDA is issuing an emergency authorization for Big C treatment using convalescent plasma. I hope I'm saying that correct. One of my subscribers tipped me off on this. And after further research, it was breaking news. Okay? Prior to that, about 2 weeks ago, another subscriber mentioned ADMA to me. I did some research on it, and sure enough, a lot of insiders were buying. Directors and officers, right? They're insiders. They could sell for whatever reason. Want to buy a new yacht, want to buy a new Porsche, they're going through a divorce. They could sell for any reason whatsoever. But there's only one reason to buy. There's only one reason why insiders buy the company stock. And it's because they think it's undervalued. I'm not going to use the word insider trading. Oh, I guess I just did. All right. Also, there was a news article, I believe, came out last week. I'm not sure if it was Friday, discouraging all convalescent plasma stocks. So you found that a lot of folks sold on Friday. Never sell all your position on a Friday. Why? That's where all the CEOs on the weekends, on the golf course, in the bars, at the concert, on the street, wherever, they socialize. A lot of ego. So CEO of XYZ will tell CEO of ABC, listen, ABC is in trouble. Let me buy the company and save you. All right? So you find that on Mondays, a lot of news happen on Monday. Never sell all your position on a Friday. All right? CEO call up his investment banker. Listen, structure this deal. These are the numbers. They call it PR. Sure enough, PR leaked the news Monday. So never sell all your position on a Friday. A lot of people are hurting this morning. That's one of the worst feelings in the world, to know that you own the stock and the day you sell it, the next day, after you sold the stock skyrocketed 100%. It's not a nice feeling, okay? So never sell 100% on a Friday. All right? Mondays are mergers and acquisitions. A lot of deals go on over the weekend. All right, let me cut this blathyscite. Just a little more on plasma. Plasma is a liquid form of blood. I'm not a doctor, but my daughter might be. All right, she's on her way. Okay, so this is based on an old method where you use the antibodies from a Big C patient, a recovered Big C patient. So you inject that blood into a sick patient to ward off the Big C. This is not a new method. Pay attention. You got to be aware of things. This is an election year. A lot of gimmicks. A lot of games are being played. Okay. This method was used in 1918. The epic pandemic in 1918. And as recently as Ebola, I think Ebola is about 10 years or so. I can't remember the exact year, but it's recent. Ebola, they used that method to treat Ebola and the epic pandemic in 1918. So why the delay? If something worked in the past, most likely it'll work in the future, except for stocks. Stock is too complex. One method worked last year, it won't work this year because it's always changing, the stock market, okay? Mike Tyson, he has a punch. The left jab to the body, followed by the uppercut. Boom, bam. It always worked. It worked in the past, so expect him to use it in the future. I'm just trying to use boxing analogy, okay? Bin Laden, they use their SEAL team, their elite SEAL team, the US, to capture Bin Laden. It worked in the past, right? So if there's another wanted man that they gotta get from another country, guess which team they're gonna call? They're not gonna call the regular soldiers. They're gonna call their elite SEAL team because it worked in the past, all right? Let me cut this blatherskite. Please like the video. Please subscribe to the channel if you're new. I might have 3 plays. Stick around.
Do remember, if you wish to open a Webull account, check my link below. You'll get 2 free stocks. Trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp.
Okay, please subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please like the video. I appreciate you. DAVESPLAY is SONN. The stock is up 92% at 506. This one is a SP. SP is a spec play. If I say LT, long-term play. Mid-term to long-term, okay? SONA, they have a market cap of 35 million. Just to give you some bearing, their 52-week high is $54.60. The stock is at $5. So there's room on the upside. Let's see what happens. Their 52-week low, $2.40. They have a 11 million float. 6% of that are shorts, okay? They have a total of 3.11 million and a total debt of 376,000, okay? That brings them to a current ratio at par, 1.08 SONN. For the sake of time, let me jump right into Dave's bonus play. Dave's bonus play is a LT. You could hold this one midterm to long term. And the stock is LMNL. LMNL. The stock is up 79% at $24. They wear a market cap of 348 million. I will repeat, a market cap of 348 million, okay? 71% of the float, insiders. 14% of the float are institutions. And 0.58% of the float are shorts, okay? They have a tiny float of 3.5 million. This one may run. 3.5 million in the float there, all right? And I'm going to repeat, 71% of the float are insiders. That's huge. That shows me the company, the directors and officers are confident in the company. They're putting their money where their mouth is. Okay? Not much data, scanty data on this one. But I could say their current ratio is 1.61. 1.61. All right? I'm going to give you, just keep a stock on all the CP plays. CP plays. I'll be using a lot of acronyms in my videos. CP is Convalescent Plasma. I hope I'm saying that correct. Okay? Pay attention to all those stocks in the CP sector. Okay? Keep a stock on ADMA. keep a stalk on NNBR and this penny play AXAS. That's all I have for you guys. I am not a professional financial advisor. I have no license. I just have experience. Okay? Trade at your own risk. Please do not invest more than you're willing to lose. Assume you're going to lose it all. And if you can't sleep, that means you're risking too much. Okay? Wait 10 to 20 minutes after the market opens if you're waiting for regulation trading. See where the stock is heading. Is it trending up? Is it tracking down? If it's breaking down, don't go. It's a no-go. Unless it reverses, all right? Please set your stop loss, whether mentally or physically. We want to protect our cash so we could trade tomorrow, all right? Trade well, guys. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam.
Thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.